Friends, you're watching Konaka and today is the first episode of Corner Tech, and today we're gonna learn how to make a website for free and from your Android device. The video is divided into parts. You can check out timestamps in the description box. And if you have any query regarding the video, you can DM me on my Instagram. The Instagram account link is in bio. So let's begin. So we're gonna start with coding, and for coding a website you will need an IDE. Now there are tons of IDE for Android coding. You can just go to Play Store and search mobile IDE and you will get a tons of IDE for coding. For this tutorial I gonna use Quick Edit. A creative IDE is also a good IDE. Let me show you. Open a file. Let me see if I have any file of HTML index.html. Its UI is very beautiful, as you can see, but I'm gonna use Quick Edit because this one is still in beta stage. So let me Quick Edit, and you can write your code here, and if you want you can also have code board through which you can easily code like this. So you can code your website here, and if you don't know how to code, there are tons of courses on YouTube available for free, and if you need any help you can DM me on my Instagram. So I've written a basic code for a payment form on HTML. Let me just change the syntax. You can learn HTML for free on YouTube, and if you want any help you can also DM me. So yeah, so I'm gonna save it, my file. First of all, change its name to p.html. Enter, save. So we have our website ready. Let's play it. Yeah. So now we have to host a website. So now that we have our website ready, we have to host it somewhere, and there are tons of free hosting services like Infinity Free, and you can search it on Google. But I'm gonna use the most easy way, and that is I'm gonna host my website on Google Drive, and I'm gonna show you how. So that we have our website ready, go to its location and upload it to Google Drive. Share, save to drive. I'm gonna save it in a new email I have just made and save. So it's been uploaded. So go to Google Drive, make a folder naming www dot your website name like corner .com and create, and then move that file into that folder. Move, and then share. No, my mistake, my bad. Manage people and links and make it public, and also open the folder, manage people and links, change public. Oh, it's already public. Yes, public. So after it, go to your any browser using, and then type, I'm gonna give website link in the description also, trv.dw. Then host on Google Drive, and then the mail you have uploaded on. So it's gonna do edit and create, delete all of your Google Drive. So I suggest you to make a new email for it, says like I did. I'm gonna allow it. Hello. So now it's searching any public HTML document I've uploaded on my Google account, Google Drive account. So yes, it's found. Now here is the link. So just I'm gonna open a new tab. You can see it opened here. Now you can share this much big link. So now we will need a domain name. So let's begin. Now we have hosted our website for free on Google Drive. We will need a domain name because you can't share this big one or can't remember. So there are tons of websites where you will get free domain name like namecheap.com and you can search it on Google. But I'm gonna use the most easy way, and that is double click on it, copy link address and open a new tab and write tinyurl.com. You will can't get a domain name, but you will get here a subdomain. Like paste it here and then make your customer corner, make tinyurl. It is not a corner pay. Make tinyurl, and that we have copy to clipboard. Then new tab and you have your own domain name now. Just write tinyurl.com/corner pay, and we have done it. You have your own website with hosting and domain name and for free. So now it's the end of the video. If you have any question regarding the video or HTML or web development, you can DM me on my Instagram. The link is in description. Bye bye.